Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing fine. So many people ask me, sir, we need a DUNS number. The most of the companies ask me about the DUNS number. So that's the reason we bought you the services of the DUNS number. So just this is in our official website, that is a resetinfotech.in, and here you can see our services, each and everything you can able to see here. So this is a usually our website, and our videos we will going to post here also, you can able to see. And about us, you can see here is a complete is a. So in the services, just go to our website, just go in the services, you can find the DUNS number here. So we provide the DUNS services, although in the reasonable price. In the market we can see it is like in a price of 30 to 40,000 rupees, or 20,000, 40,000, like that. We have been giving a reasonable price of 5,000 rupees only, but after getting DUNS number only, we won't take money before. After your DUNS number get only, we will going to charge you. Until that, we just need your documentation, that's it. After the account has been verified and you got the DUNS number, then only you need to pay. Until that, you no need to pay. So you can see all the information regarding DUNS. You can contact to us. This is our phone number, the display is going on. So this is all the information you require. For Apple account also it will going to work, and Google Play Store also it will going for your other business purpose also it will going to require for you. Okay, so if you require the DUNS number, please contact to us. We will going to do in the reasonable price, and with the minimum documents. If it is a private limited, you will going to get in the 24 hours, you will going to get a DUNS number. If it is not in register with the private limited or anything, it's going to take a 1 to 7 days of a time, because we need to update the manual to get the all the details. So I hope you people like our video. If you require the DUNS number services, please let us know. Thank you so much.